Hey guys, welcome back to the Furtado Group. I'm Ruben Furtado, and we're back at Yolanda. So I really want to just give you guys a really quick update on some of the progress that's being made. I'm actually upstairs in the master bedroom. I had to get away from everybody else because it's a full house here today and it's pretty loud. So we got our people actually doing the drywall boarding. We actually have people outside doing some landscaping. We got the guys outside doing the stucco on the exterior. And we also have some of the ACM panel. That's the metal cladding panel that's going around that major feature around the garage and the entrance. One of the reasons why I'm super excited is when we're at drywall stage, this is where you get a really good sense for the size of the rooms, where the doors are going to be, how the window lines up with a corner, if it's off, like if it's not centered or anything like that. Also, ceiling height sometimes could be a bit of an issue. So we want to be really sensitive to that, and then depending on that, we can then basically play some games. Like if the door's not completely centered, maybe we're not putting a normal door, maybe we're actually going to do some millwork across it and have a concealed door. But a lot of that stuff should be factored in well before you get to the drywall stage. The other thing too I want to share with you, just follow me. And then you can go from here. Oh, you're still following? Sorry, no, you were still following. Go back this way.
Okay, keep on going.
So, we're in the master, leading to the master ensuite. And we got a 28-inch pocket door here. But when I start looking how narrow this gets, I'm like, okay guys, where's the bathtub? Has the bathtub been brought up here? Is it even gonna fit through this doorway? So and everybody got really anxious, and then it won't fit normally, but they're gonna turn it on its side and they're gonna be able to get it in here, which is gonna be pretty hard because it's a really, really heavy bathtub. So come on in here a little bit further. The other thing that we did is this is going to be more of a wet space, so we're going to have our bathtub here on the one side and our shower here. And you can see we've already cut out the floor to create a natural slope so that we have a curbless shower that's going to come in here with a trough drain. And then we're going to have a solid piece of glass frameless that'll stop right here, and then it's going to give it a really clean look. And then again, if you guys saw our previous video when we're talking about the tiles that we picked up, and we showed some videos of some of our other projects, you're going to get a really good feel of what this space is going to look like. So one last point I'm going to make is that I think a lot of times when you're thinking resale, especially if you're trying to get a premium on the price, understand your buyer. And someone who's going to normally pay a premium is probably somebody that's doing pretty well. And one of the things that they're going to have is going to be a lot of clothes, right? So in this master bedroom, you're going to see what we did is actually we created a his and hers closet. So to the side here, you're going to have his closet, right? And it's a wall-to-wall closet. But then as you come over into this side here, is you're going to have a huge walk-in, and you're going to have about basically almost 10 feet on either side of storage, and it's got this pocket door right down the center. So for a house that's around 2,000 square feet, that's a lot of closet space for a master bedroom, but I think that's going to be one of the key differentiators on this particular property, and I'm sure the buyer will definitely appreciate it. So until next time, guys, take care.